In this video, I'll be showing you how to copy photos from a phone to USB flash drive. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it with any SD card or drive that you have connected to your Android phone. So what you want to do is connect them via a wire. For example, I have mine currently connected via USB-C. So all I want to go ahead and do is then locate the My Files application. As you can see, I have USB storage one right here, but obviously if you have an SD card or anything like that, it's going to show up here as well. All I want to do is while I'm in my Files app, I can go to images, anything like that. Let's say I want to select some images. Then all I'm going to do is press the move icon on the bottom left. But then it's going to show internal storage at the top. But all I want to do is switch it to USB storage one. And then all I want to do is press move here. But obviously I can make a new folder in here if I want to. And then move it specifically there. I can do the exact same thing with videos too, providing you have enough storage space. So let's say I want to select a few of these. All I got to do is press move again, go to USB storage, and then I can move them here. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. You can do this as many times as you want, providing you have enough storage, and it is very quick. Just make sure you're trying to use a high-speed wire if you're able to, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.